How's it going, YouTube? Steve, Mr. RESHOEVN8R, whatever you want to call me, aka Pops, here with RESHOEVN8R. Today we are going to be cleaning this Adidas Yung 1 orange colorway. It's pretty filthy. I brought out the advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry kit today. The reason that I brought that out is I am going to try first to do a quick clean on these to see if we can eliminate using the laundry system, but just in case they don't clean up with the 3 brushes in solution with our quick clean, I want the ability to throw these things in the washing machine and make them look perfect. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, before we get started, go hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber helps us provide more content. We're gonna hit 1 million subscribers, and that's because of you guys, so I appreciate that. Let's get back to it. All right, guys, the first step in this process, I'm gonna take out the laces because I always, for some reason, forget to do this. So let's just go ahead and do that now. So as you can see, some of the staining from the laces underneath there, that's one of the reasons we pull out the laces. Plus, dirty laces on a clean shoe is no bueno. It's gonna make the shoe look dirty, so you definitely wanna pull them out so you can get a better clean on those. Okay, the next step in this process is to take this adjustable shoe tree. Let's see what size. This is a size 9. I'm gonna say it's right about there, which is the 5th hole back. We're gonna go one more forward. So 4th hole back. Okay, so what that did is that really applied a lot of pressure to the toe box. That's gonna allow us to clean this more effectively and maintain the form of the shoe. Next thing that I'm gonna do, guys, is take a brush and just dry brush some of this excess dirt off. Now that we've dry brushed this, I'm just gonna set this shoe aside for now. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush and get any loose dirt off of there. Next thing we're gonna do is gonna take our 4-ounce bottle of cleaning solution and we're gonna put a couple squirts. And now we're ready to clean. So, what we're gonna do now, I always start with the soft bristle brush first. And what that allows you to do is loosen the dirt and then move on to the more stiff bristle brushes. So let's go. This is a suede shoe. It does have suede along with mesh. I'm not too worried about them bleeding just because most of it is orange. So even if this suede did transfer over into the mesh, it shouldn't affect it. But we'll see what happens. This is the type of shoe though, you cannot spot clean this suede. If you're gonna clean this shoe, make sure you clean the entire shoe evenly. It'll avoid any watermarks. All right, we're making a mess, but we're getting somewhere. I have basically gone over the entire upper section with the soft bristle brush, loosening the dirt. What I'm gonna do now is move on to the medium bristle brush. I'm gonna hit some of these more stubborn areas. You can see that there's some staining inside this mesh material. I'm gonna go over them once more on the uppers with this brush. Bristles are still soft, but more stiff than this. Soft brush, and we'll see what happens then. So with the medium bristle brush, I'm really just spot cleaning where I see the need for additional cleaning in stubborn areas. All right, last step with the medium bristle brush, I'm gonna go ahead and hit these midsoles once, and then we'll probably follow up with the stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for the medium bristle brush. This shoe's looking really good. I'm happy with how it's turning out. I don't think I'm gonna use the laundry system portion of this kit, only because I don't think we need to. If they were a little bit dirtier, then I probably would, but I think we're good. Last step, we're gonna take the stiff bristle brush, as you can see here. We're gonna hit up the midsoles, the undersole, and then clean the laces and let them dry. We'll show you the after shots after that. So let's do it. Okay guys, everything's looking good with this shoe. I'm happy with how it turned out. I do see a little bit staining in this mesh, so I'm gonna hit that once real quick. After that, we're gonna go ahead and clean these laces and then let them dry. During the cleaning process, I'm gonna let these dry a little bit more, and probably in an hour or so, give them a real light dry brushing on this suede to kind of raise that nap, and then let them dry completely. We'll come back, show you the final results. What I'm gonna do is pull some of this soapy water out of here just by going like that. All right, now that I've patted these things dry, we're gonna go ahead and put them outside. As I mentioned before, help get us to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Go subscribe now. And don't forget to check out the before and afters on these right now.